Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Channels. This is our factory. Today I will show you our sliding table saw. This machine is widely used for cutting plant, solid wood. It's running stably, cutting precisely. Now let's take a look at how it works. As you can see, the workpiece is cut smoothly by the sliding table saw. We also suppose the customer did solution according to your production needs. If you are interested, please contact us and I will give you more videos and details. Bye bye.